Welcome to Nick and Jeff. I'm Jeff, and Nick's not here right now, but I love him so much, he's asked me to make a video about some new shoes I bought. So, let's not waste any more time opening these new Converse All-Star Chuck Taylors. And of course, the first thing you're going to notice when you open the box and remove the paper is, holy moly, these National Parks bright poppy shoes are really bright. They are gorgeous, man. Those colors are just so intense. Look at them. So, the Converse website says it's inspired by the national parks, the vistas of the national parks, and they're celebrating nature's greatest by transforming its classic elements to be a more eco-friendly shoe. Now there's a classic Chuck's All-Star license plate on the back, they call it, and I really dig the orange stripe down the back. It ties it all together. And like all good All-Stars, you've got the stitched on patch. Apparently they have recycled laces as well. That's pretty cool and pretty new. Very eco-friendly. The official colour for this shoe is actually called Bright Poppy / Citron Pulse / Bold Wasabi. Very unique names and colours for sure. I thought it'd be pretty fun to compare the new shoes to some of my old ones. I bought these Nikes a few years ago, they were just in the window and I had to have them. They're a colourful shoe and I'm a colourful person. But they're still not as colourful as the new National Parks ones. I got these Pride Converse shoes a couple years ago. They had a really nice fun colourful base and pretty muted on top. I did that on purpose because I wasn't ready to be that loud. But like again, the National Parks are still very loud. And then last of all, I've got my 15-year-old blue Chucks from high school. And it's pretty funny to see that the base sort of hasn't changed in quite a few years. The only really big difference I noticed is the sole was a lot thicker, and I'd say that's a good thing. So now I've grown half an inch. Now I heard a little rumor that Converse might have been a bit naughty and actually stole these designs. It might have been on TikTok, I don't know, I haven't done any of my research, but I think maybe an intern or someone like that, or someone who was trying to get a job there, had to submit their designs for their own Converse shoes. They didn't get a job, and then all of a sudden, a few months later, some eerily similar designs appeared on the store. I bet that person's thrilled. So yeah, they weren't too happy, but oh well, I bought them anyway. Giant business normally always wins. Now, I've actually been told I tie up shoelaces the wrong way or weird way that people have never really seen before. I don't think that's true, but it's the only way I've been taught and the only way I'm ever going to do them. So, if you do it differently, why don't you let me know in the comments? All done. Comfortable at last. So just trying to strap my stuff. Yeah, I'm a nerd. I don't know if I actually pull them off. I've gotten fat. I'm pretty short. But they're damn cool. And I think as long as I'm wearing some colourful items, they'll probably stand out. And just before my brother asks, no, they don't make me jump higher. And I definitely can't moonwalk in them either. And while I haven't even stepped outside because I'm too busy making this video, the soles are actually way more comfortable than the other Pride shoes I've got that were a few years old, thanks to the Ortholite Insole, which helps keep things comfortable. So there you have it. I really like the stitching, I really like the multiple layers. I love the new thicker base. They're pretty slick and they're pretty clean, and I don't want to get them dirty, just yet anyway. And hey, if you're not into rainbows like me, there's also this sort of rock or earthly inspired brown version, and this sort of maybe sky or ocean style as well. There's something for everybody. So there you go, the National Parks Bright Poppy Converse All-Star Chuck Taylors. They're pretty cool. Thanks for watching, Nick and Jeff. If you like Converse All-Stars, you should give us a thumbs up. And maybe stick around and subscribe because we're almost at 500 and that'd be awesome if you did. We'll see you in the next video.